Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seat, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, Sirius Satellite Radio, tachometer, remote keyless entry, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.